Okay, so great to see everyone and to be talking to you about the MSc in International Accounting and Business. So the first thing I'm going to do is attempt to share my screen, and I have a few slides for you. I'm just going to take you through what the program is all about, who should apply, and also how you should apply and why you should do this course. So as I said, I'm Aideen O'Doherty. I'm an assistant prof in accounting here, and I'm the program director of the Masters in International Accounting and Business. So I really like talking about this course because I actually did a very similar course in DCU, several years ago, 3 years ago. I did a similar course in DCU myself because I did a non-business degree. I did a science degree, and I did what was called a professional diploma in accounting at the time, which was a great course for, like this one, a great course for people who don't have an accounting background. Maybe you have a regular business degree, maybe you have some accounting experience, but you want to I suppose, have a career in accounting, and this course is a fantastic foundation for a career in accounting. You can see a few details there. That's just my email address and the course page, which I'm going to show you at the end, which is your kind of first port of call for after this presentation, finding out everything about the course and the structure and how to apply, etc. So what is this course about? So like I said, this is a course for people who want to be an accountant but do not necessarily have any accounting experience or background yet. So there are kind of two elements in terms of the skills or the learning goals of the course. The first thing is the specialist knowledge. This is the accounting knowledge. That's what this course gives you, is your knowledge or your technical skills in financial management, financial accounting, management accounting, financial management, the technical skills and knowledge that you need to get started on your accounting career, and also get you exemptions in the first layer of professional exams, which we'll come to shortly. So it will give you those skills. And then the second thing is that the course will also give you all the other kind of the softer sort of leadership, global understanding, communication, collaboration skills that you need to be employable and to be employable in the Irish market. So you get the technical accounting knowledge, and you also get the other skills that make you a really attractive to employers after doing this course. So what does the course look like? So it's important to note that this is an intensive 1-year full-time course. So in a year, you do 90 credits, 3 semesters. It's a very intensive course with lots of class time. So lots of in-class time in lectures and tutorials. It's something that you have to do full time. I've had people ask me if you can work and do the course. No, you have to do this course full time and really put your full effort into it. But it's very rewarding in terms of the foundation it gives you to then go on and be a professional accountant. On-campus lectures, you have to be on campus. Usually it's maybe 4 days a week between 9 and 6. And then in semester, so 2 semesters on campus doing modules. And then you also have the summer semester, which is when you're doing either your applied business project or practicum, or applied research project dissertation. You have an option to choose one of those. Okay. So the program structure and the modules that you will be doing as part of the course to get you these technical accounting skills and the other skills for employability. So in each semester, you do 1 financial accounting and 1 management accounting module. And this year, these will all they're all 10 credit modules. So they're very substantial modules with a lot of content in them. And that will get you from, even if you know very little about accounting, it will get you up to being able to do profit and loss and balance sheet and cash flow statement and decision trees and variance analysis and all this specialist accounting knowledge. So you have your financial management accounting modules. You have a year-long financial management module, and again, that's very technical. You'll calculate weighted average cost of capital. You'll calculate net present value. You'll, again, very, very important, the tools that you'll need for your accounting career. And you also do data analytics, which is another year-long module, which is and you are with the other accounting master's students for this as well. So this is a really technical, challenging, but very important and I suppose modern module that you need for the workplace. And then this year we are going to have new modules, new year-long modules in business and society and career development. And again, these will help you with the leadership, sustainable practice skills that you need to be employable in the current market. And then you will have, as I said, the option to do an applied business project where you work in a team with a client on a specific project. And if you do that module, you will also do project management, or you have the choice to do an individual dissertation research project. And with that, you will do research methods. So 3 semesters. So in both semesters, you have your core financial and management accounting, you have year-long financial management, data analytics, and you also have business and society career development, and then you do your dissertation individually or your practicum applied business project as a team. So that's the program structure. The exemptions. This is probably the key reason that many people will choose this course. So the course will give you exemptions from 6 ACCA exams, and the 6 exams are listed there. And it will also give you exemptions from 3 subjects at Cap 1 stage of the Institute of Chartered Accountants in Ireland exams. So if you get, and it's just to note as well that for the Chartered Accountants Ireland's exams, you need a pass mark of 50% in the relevant modules to get the exemption. And then for ACCA exemptions, it's 40% in the relevant modules. So like I said, this course thus provides you with the perfect foundation that you need for a career in accountancy. You get these professional exemptions, and then it opens up the whole world of employment, of careers to you, because you've achieved this first level of either ACCA if you go down that road, or CAI if you want to go down the ACA road of qualification. So just an example of some of the careers and some of the job titles that previous graduates have had. So it might be the case that you go into a firm and you study an audit or an audit trainee or associate, or you can also go into industry. You can be a finance officer, client accounting, commercial accounting. There's a huge range of possible careers open to you. And the qualifications pursued: Chartered Accounting Ireland, CAI, for which you have the 3 Cap 1 exemptions, and then ACCA, and all of these, and Chartered Association of Management Accountants as well. All of these are globally recognized qualifications, and they give you, there are huge employment opportunities in Ireland for people with these qualifications. Even after the pandemic, the financial and professional services sectors are still exceptionally strong. Okay. And just briefly, this is further information on a lot of graduates will study ACCA from this course. Obviously, you get exemptions from 6 ACCA exams. And these are just some of the companies that past graduates are working at, and some of a sample of the current roles available for ACCA partial ACCA graduates or ACCA trainees. So as I said, it's a great opportunity to get a very focused qualification that bridges between the educational world and prepares you for the professional world to go out and have a career in accounting. The last thing that I wanted to say was, this is the MIAB program page, which I will put in the chat, and this is your next step for how, if you want to apply for the course, how to apply. These are just some additional details which you'll find these all on the website as well, about when to apply and how to apply. And this particularly relevant for international students. A lot of international students are interested in this course. You'll find the information on the International Admissions website. So those are the slides I have. So this is your port of call for any further information about the course. We still have to update some of the program structure because we have new modules coming in this year, but that will all be done very shortly. And in the meantime, I think I'm going to pass the slides on. I'll pass the slides on to Sinead as well, so you'll be able to access those too. Great.